Get your exercise today. Get you breathing a little bit.
Yeah, it's good.
For the slag piles, are those just like the impurities in the ore after they got the iron out?
What was the question again?
The slag piles?
Yes.
Is that just the impurities in the ore, or is there?
That's all the waste and impurities that was in the water. What's left of the processing, when the boat line is out of it, everything.
Are there chemicals involved too, or was
Oh,
it
yeah.
just?
Chemicals, gas. I read breakdowns on it. Do they have